Alright folks, we're out here. Got the phone guys over here. I had a little accident. Here we're getting on the phone line. They said we got AT&T fiber right here at the street and it was all pulled up. So they're having to redo it. And there it is. Ain't no biggie. Just went under the driveway. And got a driveway. Hey, we got a driveway. Looking good, looking good. Driveway here, we got all kinds of stuff. I don't see any too bad of anything going on. Pretty good on the driveway. Walk down here. Yeah, got a sidewalk. Looking good, looking good. And look there. There you go, right on down to iGarage. How about that? They even got a little stoop. They poured us a little stoop. That big old ditch was there. It's gone. There we go. Got plenty of good slope coming out of here. Got us a little stoop. Hey, somebody was thinking of us. Thanks, Jeff. You all right, Jeff? I don't care what Sandy says about you. Woo, we got some more concrete down here. Look at that. Well, doggy. Hey, they got pretty good concrete pours around here. Look at that, honey. We got a slab here. And we got one over there. I didn't know we were going to get that. How you like that? That's all right. Let me get my glasses on where I can see what I'm doing. We're still filming? Yeah. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. Got a little extra here. That ain't bad for all that driveway and everything to have that little bit there. And we're looking good. So Connie, we got to get from here right there down to here, or that'd be the shop. You wouldn't go over here, darling. So anyway, we looking good. We are looking good. All right, let's go inside.